Hello, seekers of cosmic time, and welcome to another Infinite Minds episode. We're about to fly through a virtual slice of the universe mapped out by the Cosmic Evolution Early Release Science Survey. Here we are seeing approximately 5,000 galaxies, not flat on a screen, but positioned in 3 dimensions within a patch of sky called the extended Groth Strip. Now, hold on to your hats. In this visualization, as the camera flies away from our viewpoint, each second amounts to traveling 200 million light years into the dataset and seeing 200 million years further into the past. We are literally flying backwards through cosmic time towards the Big Bang. The appearances of the galaxies change, reflecting the fact that more distant objects are seen at earlier times in the universe, when galaxies were less developed. It's cosmic evolution unfolding before our eyes. Our ultimate destination on this incredible journey takes us to Maisie's galaxy, which formed only 390 million years after the Big Bang, or about 13.4 billion years ago. How incredible is that trip? We hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you very much for watching another Infinite Minds episode. We are building a new community here. If you'd like to support the channel and see more content like this, clicking the like button and subscribing is a wonderful way to do so. As always, take care and stay healthy. Talk to you in the next video.